There's dusty fields no matter where you go. You may change your mind, 'cause the weeds are high where corn don't grow. I remember feeling guilty when Daddy turned and walked back in the house. I was only 17 back then, but it seems like I knew more than I do now. I can't say he didn't tell me this city life's a hard